Hey YouTube, VanCampinWoody here. I've come down out of the van build. So you see the RVs down there, that's the end of it. I'm about 1.5 miles, 2 miles to the south. Come down here, I want to show y'all. I've been here for a week now. I like this little area, it's a little quiet at night. Daytime you got the ATVs running around. But I'm excited what I'm getting ready to show y'all, so bear with me, we'll catch you on the other side. Okay, the first thing we got here, I want to show y'all, got my solar panel put on. 245 watts. The one I got from HOA and SanTan Solar. They got it mounted on top of my luggage rack, on top of my minivan there. I want y'all to see that. Hope the video's okay, I'm trying to hold it up. That's my solar panel up there. And show you what these guys have done for me. Here, solar team number 3. They have got me hooked up. I got my Renogy Rover 30 amp solar controller. They've got it hooked up. It's got a fuse, inline fuse here. There's also one there at the panel. And because of my budget, being on limited income and disability, I got what I could afford right now for the setup. I got an EverStart 1000-watt inverter, and I'll tell you what I'll be using that for in a little bit. But I also got an EverStart deep cycle RV and marine battery, 12 volt. It's 125 amp hour. You know, $100. That's what I could afford for now. Lithium, everybody knows the price on them. That'd be the ultimate battery to have, but right now I couldn't do it. But I am getting my emergency fund back up, and going to be prepared to get the rest of whatever I need after the first of the year. They've even fused in my inverter for me. You can see the little fuse down there on the side. Yeah, and right here they included a cigarette lighter I wanted installed, and that's what I'm going to be plugging things in, especially my fan that I like running at night. So that's my solar setup. I have got it in here. I'm a happy camper, and let me walk y'all around to the side door and let y'all see what my living quarters are like here in this minivan. Here's the back view anyways. Yep, it's a recliner. Some of my bedding and stuff, cooking ware is down here. So we'll catch you on the next side. Give me a couple seconds. Okay, I'm gonna take y'all inside. Just show y'all inside. Here's my front storage area up there on the passenger seat. I carry a water cooler with me and an ice cooler because I'm an ice eater. I gotta have ice every 3 days. But right there is where my cooking utensils and my food and my stove is over there by the passenger door. Right there you can see my fan. You see that wire hanging there by the door. That's the solar line coming in with a drip line on the outside the door. But this is my bed right here. It's a lazy boy. I've lost enough weight where I could get a smaller lazy boy in here. And now over here to the side where Nebo sleeps is my extra tables and pillows for him to lay on. And on the other side, I have a 12 volt cooler. Truckers call it a refrigerated cooler, but it only keeps it 40 degrees in the outside temperature. So, and I couldn't really run it sitting like I do because overnight it would drain the battery. I also have a toolbox in here, tools and whatnot. So that's why I was waiting to get the solar so I could do more. And I got this Schumacher here on sale last December. I've been waiting because it's a Schumacher 1100. It's got a lithium battery in it for sure. 2 plugs here and 2 110s here. I can run 2 days off of that Schumacher before I need to charge it back up. It's also a jump start if I need to jump my battery off. But the thing about using that, you gotta charge it right back up after using it. And that's why I got that cigarette lighter plug over there where I showed y'all earlier. So I can charge it up now in the daytime and let it do what it's doing. The highest my solar's gotten up so far was 14.1, so you know that's good. I'm a happy man. And let y'all see the solar panel one more time. I hope I didn't go too fast, but this is Sadie, my Kia Sedona, where me and Nebo reside at night. So we'll catch y'all on the other side with some follow-up and tell you what's going on here at the van build. Okay, like I said, I've been here at the Van Build Fest 2019 now for a week. I got here a week ago Friday. I was pleased, very happy when they called me back earlier to get my solar panel, my solar setup. Solar Team 3, shout out to you. I really appreciate you. Thank you, Louisiana girl Emily, for keeping tabs on me and helping me through the setup. It's been going pretty good here at the Van Build. Open mic night a few nights ago. We've got some poets, some singer-songwriters and musicians that are out here amongst us nomads. And there's one gentleman that has an old antique street organ. And it sounds pretty cool. Y'all heard that on my previous video a couple of days ago. Last night was movie night. It was Rat Race. And a nice little crowd showed up for it there at Center Camp. Tonight is going to be karaoke night, hosted by YouTube famous Aja Pandemonium. She'll be hosting it, and they'll be doing that here on this Friday night of the ending the first week of the van build. So that's what's been going on here. I will try to do my best to get some pictures this evening. I don't know if I'm going to include it in with this video or not, but we'll see. So we'll catch y'all on the other side.